Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Passive Path, the channel where we talk about real ways to build income streams that work for you, not the other way around. Now, imagine this. What if you had a few smart AI tools that could make money while you sleep? Create designs, write content, find clients, even in today's video, I am revealing 7 powerful AI tools that can actually make money for you in 2025. There's no coding, no complex setup, just smart automation. And make sure you stay till the end, because ILL also share a bonus tool that can literally run a business for you on autopilot. Let's dive in. You already know ChatGPT, but most people don't know how to use it to make real money. Here's how the smart people do it. They offer services like blog writing, script writing, or ad copy on platforms like Fiverr and Up. ChatGPT does about 80% of the work for you. You just polish it and deliver. For example, if you write just 3 blog posts a day at $30 each, that's $90 a day. Here's a bonus trick. Combine ChatGPT with Canva and Grammarly. You get content, design, and correction of full professional package. This isn't just about AI helping you. It's about AI earning for you. Next up, Canva's new Magic Studio uses AI to create designs instantly. You can make YouTube thumbnails, business logos, Instagram posts, all in seconds. Start a social media design gig on Fiverr or Etsy. Clients will gladly pay $10 to $50 per design, and Canva's AI will handle most of the heavy lifting. As an example, 5 designs a day at $20 each is $100 a day. A pro tip is to add AI animation and brand templates to your services. This allows you to command higher prices and make faster sales. Number 3 is Pictory AI. This tool turns your written script into a full YouTube video, complete with stock footage, subtitles, and background music. You can literally start a faceless channel in popular niches like motivation, finance, or tech. A single monetized channel can bring in anywhere from $300 to $2,000 a month, depending on your series. A great workflow is using ChatGPT for the script, then Pictory for the video, and finishing it off with CapCut or Descript for a final touch. This combination is a straight-up money-making machine. At number 4, we have Jasper AI. Jasper is an AI specifically trained for marketing and ad copywriting. Brands pay thousands of dollars for catchy slogans, emails, and product descriptions. You can start offering AI-powered copywriting services and tap into this market. For example, writing 10 product descriptions a day for $10 each is an easy $100. For a bonus, offer AI copywriting plus SEO optimization. This will attract premium clients and let you charge a higher rate. This tool literally helps you sell anything, including your own services. Next, we're talking about Notion AI. Notion Plus AI is a passive income goldmine. You can use it to create digital planners, productivity templates, or finance trackers, and then sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Pay. Imagine selling a Notion template for just $10. If you sell 10 a day, that's $100 daily. Here is a bonus trick. Use ChatGPT to design the structure and then Notion AI to auto-format it. You can create a professional-looking product in under an hour. Once it's uploaded, it's pure passive income. Coming in at number 6 is Opus. Opus Clip uses AI to turn your long videos into short, viral clips, which are perfect for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. You can sell this as a service to YouTubers, coaches, and for example, editing 5 short clips a day for $20 each earns you $100. As a bonus, you can use it on your own channel to multiply your content's reach and, in turn, your ad revenue. This tool literally turns your content into a money printing engine. And finally, at number 7, we have tools like Durable. CoDurable AI can build a full website complete with content, layout, and SEO in under 30 seconds. You can start a website design business using this incredible tool. Your clients will think you're a coding genius, but it's the AI doing all the work. For instance, if you make just one website per day and charge $100, that's $700 a week. If you add your own domain setup and hosting services, you've got an instant side business. This is real automation, where AI literally creates businesses for you, okay? As promised, here's the secret combo if you want full automation. Combine ChatGPT, Pictory, Opus Clip, and Notion. ChatGPT writes your video scripts. Pictory makes your videos. Opus Clip repurposes them into shorts. And Notion tracks all your earnings. That's a complete AI ecosystem running your brand while you sleep. So there you have it. 7 AI tools that can actually make money for you in 2025. Let us do a quick recap. ChatGPT for content, Canva Magic Studio for design, Pictory AI for faceless videos, Jasper for copywriting, Notion AI for digital products, Opus Clip for short-form video, and Durable for websites. These are real tools, making people real money right now. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss next week's video. How to build a $1,000-month AI side hustle in 2025. Remember, it's not about working harder. It's about working smarter with AI. This is the Passive Path, and I'll see you in the next one.